Hi, my name is Somal Latto. I am from Kharagpur in West Bengal. Currently, I pursuing my Bachelor in Computer Application degree in Chitkara University, Himachal Pradesh with 7.35 CGPA. I have completed my 12th in Dasagram SS Sikha Sadan with 92.8% and I have completed my 10 from Dhanasarpur SS Sikha Sadan with 74.43%. My primary skills are C, C++, SQL and MS Excel. My secondary skills includes basic knowledge of Java, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I am also a quick learner with positive attitude. I love my degree and I have completed few courses like cybersecurity, cloud fundamental, data structure, data science from Coursera, Cisco, Red Learning and Quickhill. I am involved in a project and the project topic is online job portal using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP and Jam server. I am always ready to improve my skills and I have also presentation skills and communication skills. I am never face a problem in working in a team. I love drawing, listening music and gardening. I want to join your company because I feel this company will provide me an excellent opportunity to learn and grow. I assure you, given a chance, I will give my 100% to your company. If you would like to more about me, I will waiting to hear from you. Thank you.